Hi Deep, how are you? Indeed a pleasure to have you for this feedback session.
Hi, Aita. I'm doing good. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm doing well. So
Thanks,
Deep,
thanks
yeah, right.
for the session.
Yeah. Great. So for the interest of everybody, would it be possible if you can give a quick introduction about yourself, please?
Yes, yes. Hi, I am Deep Shukla. I am having around 10 years of experience in different profiles, majorly working on the QA side, although I'm having some experience on product side as well. So this is all about me. I am currently working on a company in Noida. So this is all about me, professional career thing.
Great, great. Thank you so much, Deep. So, Deep, it was wonderful to have you in the CPWST training program. I just want to hear your candid feedback about the training program itself.
Okay, so about the training program, I just got to know about this training program from one of my colleague who have already ran this program, and he has appreciated this very much. So that's why I got motivated about, and I've heard a lot about Aditya itself. He told me about that. Say he's a wonderful guy, and he gives what are the concept he will deliver to you. It's crisp and clear, and yes, and I felt the same while doing the program, attending the program. So whenever I had the problem, I just ping the Aditya, and as per his nature, he was available at every point of time. So whenever you just ask him, he will be available. And what are the concepts he has delivered to us regarding the web service testing, that was crisp and clear. So few of the doubts that I had in my past got clear during the this training session. So it overall the experience was wonderful, and it was good. I will say it was an thrilling journey. We have spent 3 days with Aditya, and that was very good thing.
Thank you so much, Deep, for your kind words. It really means a lot to us. Uh, and you were wonderful as well as a participant. I think that it also matters to us that how you participate and how you make it interactive. So thank you so much for the. Now,
Thank
a
you.
lot of people feel that the exam is practical, and I just want to hear your feedback on how did you find the CPWST exam? Was it worth taking the exam?
Yes, definitely. Gaining anything is never goes into vain. So if you learn something new, definitely it helps you a lot. So what are the things I have I just got in the examination was somehow related to the thing that was delivered by the Aditya. So regarding the theoretical questions, I'll say the exam for which first part of the examination was more or less related to the things that we used to do in our practical life, in our projects and all. And regarding the practical exams, so things are much more related to the things that been delivered by the Aditya itself. So what is the pattern he has told us, what are the concepts he has told me, definitely the pattern of the question would be the same that is delivered by the Aditya. But yes, the logic, the concept that you need to apply on that side, it's up to you guys. And the examination is definitely a worth. I will say everyone should try this. Giving a tag into his LinkedIn profile would be a worth thing.
Thank you so much, Deep. Right, and normally I do ask that would you like to refer and recommend this program to your friends and colleagues?
Yes, definitely. I will do. Even I have asked two of my friends to attend this program. So soon in the future, he will be going to join Aditya's program. I don't know when, but yes, I have just strongly recommended them. When I had just updated my LinkedIn profile with this certification, or CPWC, they asked me about it. I said it's a 3 days program, and you just need to completely dedicate your 3 days, and you will definitely able to qualify these examinations, because whatever the things told by Aditya was good. So I will definitely recommend you guys to have this examination.
Thank you so much, Deep.